Hello and welcome back to another Hot Wheels Redline review. Today we're looking at a 1970 TNT Bird in red. You can see this one has a nice color. It does have toning around the vehicle, but not very many chips. Matter of fact, I can't see any, but I'm sure there's one or two fleet-like chips around. Decals are still in good condition, although on the other side one has a little chip out of it. And it's got some of the original decals that came in the blister pack. There was a decal sheet included, so somebody stuck them on there. Roof is in great condition. The stripe is in excellent condition. And looking at the wheels, they have great chrome and full red lines, and they all spin freely and fast, except for that one. It does have a bum left front wheel that does not spin, so the car will not roll straight at all. And these were cast in Hong Kong. They didn't do a USA casting, so they're only cast in Hong Kong. But overall, this is definitely in very good condition. And if you have any interest in this vehicle, check out the link in the description below. And hope to see you back soon.